Am I being annoying if I keep asking my developer for changes to my landing page? Okay. Hello, Ali. Hi. I'm a non-technical founder and I have got a developer who built our landing page. Okay. So this is your query or question. Since launch, I keep noticing things I want to change. The headline doesn't quite match our ad. A section feels off. The CTA call to action isn't landing, stuff like that. Small things, but there is always something. Every time I have to write it up, send it over, wait, review, go back and forth, and I feel bad because it's the same page over and over. I'm sure he's tired of me, but I also genuinely think these tweaks matter. Our conversion isn't where it should be, and the landing page feels like the problem. So I'm stuck between two fears. Either I am being that annoying client who won't leave a finished thing alone, or I am right that the page needs real work and I should keep pushing. Ali, how often is it actually reasonable to iterate on a landing page after launch? And is there a smarter way to handle this than constantly pinging a developer for one change at a time? Feel insufficient for both of us, but I don't know the better path. Okay, so I don't know who your company or the developer is who is working on the landing page. If you ask me, once in a while a landing page changes are necessary. We have seen some clients, who keeps on asking for the changes, and we recommend the changes as well. We even ourselves sees, through the user recording sessions, if our landing page is lacking something, if a user is coming and not converting well, so we may need to change. Sometimes, we try to change even the form submission color, and that too, changes the number of conversions we see. So a landing page can, often requires changes. We keeps on testing. Sometimes another landing page variation is required for some specific ad group or a keyword or a mind intent of the people to fulfill. So landing page changes are a constant requirement. You cannot deny with it. So which is why I recommend you to opt for a company which can help you. So it's not self marketing, but I'm just saying it that if you want a service, where you are not concerned, you can hire us, because along with our Google Ads monthly management, for those who hire us, we also offer, unlimited landing page revision. So whatever changes you want to do on your landing page, not to ask a completely new design, but into your existing design, if you want changes unlimited, me and my team can help you along with Google Ads management, along with fraud click protection. So if you want a service where your Google Ads account is managed, you can constantly click for prevention, plus comparator analysis, live user recording, plus unlimited landing page revisions, you can hire me and my company. Our company name is aarswebs.com, and you can find the link in the description of this video. We are a Google partner company, and we help clients like you to optimize your Google Ads campaigns plus your landing pages. So yeah, we will definitely help you. You don't need to concern like this. You don't need to think like that you're an annoying client, but yet rather you will be we will be very happy whenever you are touched, because you are concerned regarding conversions, and it's very good to feel when the client itself is concerned regarding conversions. So yeah, we look forward working with you. I hope this answers your question as well. Take care. Bye bye.